Sarodo, my chari, oh my way, they wash me for the day so. I see me here. But I know something the Trump printed, Trump said, Trump akacho. Me when I see so, I be Giman. That means I come for a baby. Now, I don't do the other day. I come for a baby, I come for China Chong. I been Giman. They bought me for a Conan Benger. Yes, for a Conan Benger. After they bought me for a Conan Benger, I don't forget for tell when I say I be Babinda man. Yeah, I be 2 billion % anglophone. Wara. When I call me how when I want to, what I say it on a Conan mano, I don't care for can give on a small information. The other day we pass way the other day. It be day na. They were people whether they talk for radio, talk for television, talk for newspaper, whether they write them for newspaper, they be talk saying that their day. For this day, man where they talk saying that ye they manage all that people for Cameroon country, where them na rename and where the former minister way that them be part of the problem we will get them now for English Cameroon, for Southern Cameroon. It talk say freedom for newspaper and for press a day for Cameroon, no problem, no day. People where they do, they talk for today, they talk for radio, they talk. Me, I be example for that problem, that serious discrimination, serious wahala just because of the truth. So plenty people them they wazizi own case where they catch you, they carry you go for police detention for that side for Munya. They lock you for the nayi, so they ikwara. Plenty example then they will give them so. People where they learn country for she can say they fear say me the dictatorial regime where they manage the country no enter for do the thing where no fun. Now you way you carry yourself because you way code for you seeking to say it's all thing they work afar, all thing they rose, all thing. And then you go see some pseudo journalists them, pseudo syndicate that they go begin to say yes not true, it did this, not that. Pray the thing then they way they get for do them. Pray the thing then they way they no one do them. Pray the thing then they way they no get the zeal. I don't talk grammar for that place. Zeal for do the thing they no get them. Now only for corruption they get only juke up, and jum. Now the thing way it there for their second that. Yes. My see this small mutumba when I know that my way they call it say amumba no. Eric Chick a chondong. He said, if you want to marry my country woman, prepare. You want to prepare, and after is there prepare fungi. If you want to marry backward woman, prepare. You want to prepare, Manambusa is there prepare. You go for that sir. If you want to marry Bayangi woman, prepare. You want to prepare for food and arrow. Prepare. I shall talk for when I saw today na my birthday. Prince Nico be singing today na your birthday. Na the day where you can't to sing the purple for the no say for this ground before you come oh. They dance in my and my birthday today. So when I crap for me, when I look at the video, when I crap, when I neck them, when I social crap, when I share them, when I send them for all company, me all my begin look and say yes. Now video that way, kuna man giman, bamin giman. When I call how when I want abebu ma itu iman tenencho man bamenda man. It do for when I give una small information. Now, how we talk about bamenda man? Now truth I don't say the prayer. For bamenda, what happened the other day for the 30th of April? This senator way named Elizabeth Regina Mundi. He be there for bamenda for Foncha Street. It work na so yo no be say be for day na so I try for verify for 1 2 3 they tell me say na they think that and then boom they make it surrounding then they kidnap you they vanish with the one time and then the people where they kidnap you they make a video they don't say they so they accuse you for treason. That means say na treason where they accuse you. Say he be advocate for recolonization, and with them, they for fight for freedom. They get for fight for restoration. Now the video, I repeat again, now the thing where they talk about for the video, they don't say they send a message for Paul Abeya. Say me he must move Ngara. he moved 75 other prisoners them for prison for Kondenge for exchange with Elizabeth Regina Mundi. If you know be so, now for them with my own information, it end. It don't go big for where people no one understand say the crisis don't go for different dimension. Say now only dialogue, only talk, what we fit talk, it solve the problem. No be na ring fit solve problem. No be na popcorn fit solve problem. No be palava a kerebe with the amber boys and with the anglophone and all that fit stop the problem. Now only thing where people get sent for the hell what they fit do now for talk make the problem stop. Because even if you not do hard, one day you not get for talk sincerely before the problem go end. So why waste time? Why would not waste time for talk away and time this way if I for talk that thing so that make the thing finish? Now the question why they ask you now. People they die any day, they catch people any they do one day when they still begin do politics for the kind of matter. I bet you now. Now times say me wanna understand say they no fit solve the problem with the ring. They no fit solve the problem with the popcorn. No be popcorn go solve problem. If they don't try, when I don't try with the popcorn, we no solve problem. That means say the problem they call for English say they say root problem. When I get for look am inside when I solve the problem, no be cosmetic solution. No be catch people, no be do this, no be ring. This one go die, military go die, civilian go die, Abba go die, this and that. We don't need that kind of thing. We need na people where they use brain for say we na be governor, we na feel big governor, we na call people say they talk together sincerely. No be that masquerade where they go do for grand dialogue where make them anything pass the way they pass. So my own prayer and I say make dialogue come, sincere dialogue. Even if it take time for say may they come to a compromise. It be very important. It be very important. So pass that thing where they make ring. So I think say na the thing we for do. Now, Senator Elizabeth Regina Mundi, they don't catch he. They don't catch he. They don't make ultimatum. They catch he for Santa man where Sunday for always Saturday sun where you see sun the sun. That's so they catch he. Now so it happen. And then so other information what we learn for that side for Bamda I say commissioner for Bamda is that popcorn paraba with ring and then like say you don't kwara you too. Now the news that way come up for that side for Bamda say you too it like say you don't kwara but then they verify the cops for see whether na who or na no be na but now the problem that it there for them for paraba that war for Bamenda for Boya for Southern Cameroon for former British Cameroon. As I tell when I say today na my birthday when I say pray. Today na my birthday, na the day where I come for the grand for a corner. My name na Shineto Kretush. Abingi boy Bamenda boy too. Abiekona boy Ekona man when I put anything when I put up for there. What I know for 4 euro when I put up, you go waka. When I put that finger show, when I share the other one, and then when I make subscribe for that red button, it work out. May I throw another news? The one, that news where it come up for that side where they call it for English is say the land of the rotten chimpanzee. That means say for African people they call them say the village the chimpanzee puri. They call them for other baby grammar say ebolowa. That means say for ebolowa. Thing don't ba printing. It ba printing. Peking don't take Peking way there from one. It take it chew Peking for from 4 for lycée technique for that side for browa. It chew he prum Peking there for from 4 the vest now they told say they want the good. That means say they want the popular justice, mob justice for Chakara that Peking way chew that they are afraid for from 4. When I hear what they pass, they start them. So police they come for screw. They make a gabardi, they make another gabardi. So they put that thing where they broke up for semester no begin down them. They go they catch that Peking where they be one kiram, they don't take and go for their custody, and then that one where they choke them, they for Warapita. If it bad for that side for brewer, it be bad printy, that means say the thing when I look at it be bad printy, be bad press, pass the press. Now so the thing be bad for them. It don't turn now, see Sikuru don't turn pray when them enter there any day. When they knock Peking, when they did sex for president, they didn't make any county, make group sex for president. Now they think that way don't make it happen. So ladies and gentlemen, I John Abba, Aquari, Mama, Ma chari. Now for Yahweh, the news should finish for this day. Tell una for what time we take the appointment for another time for the same platform for the same information. Tell una for subscribe. Tell una for nekam. Tell una for share. If you want to marry my country woman, prepare. You want to prepare for full and arrow. Prepare. Okay. Bye bye. We'll see you next time.